she already has an athletic sponsor, so.
I know, please.
Come on, Zoe. Whoa! Uh-oh, there's going to be a crash. Zoe likes to drink.
She loves physical humor. She likes it when, like, things go awry for people.
That's sweet, Zoe.
Oh, the tip is fell down. The house fell down.
The house fell down. Uh-oh. Nanny Amaris.
Amaris Poppins. Tuppence the birds.
It fell down.
Say help me. Help me, Amaris Poppins. Couldn't it just be a Mary Poppins?
A Mary Poppins? Exactly.
You know what's funny is, you know when Mary Poppins is moving in and pulls out of the carpet bag, pulls out purple high heel shoes,
Yes.
and always goes, shoes on mommy.
What do you have in
Can
your
you go purple?
What do you have in your closet?
Thongs, maybe a pair of sneakers, sandals. Huh. But I just love it the first time he saw that. What shoes are you talking about?
You okay, Ben?
Do you need some? Here, why don't we put it down? There's our boy.
Here,
Are you jumping?
Here, mommy will hold him.
Do you think Zoe can jump? Here. Are you
Oh,
gonna share?
she's
I'll just
sharing.
share. You can eat some. Oh, okay. Oh, Zoe wants to feed you. Or leave him on the ground.
Oh, that's my daughter.
Here, that's your daughter. Would you like to see my son Ben? Will you pick the Cheerios up? I'm like, yeah.
Zoe, go pick up your Cheerios.
You made a mess.
Are you gonna throw them away?
One of her first words was mess. Mess. Because I always said, you made a mess.
Yeah, she makes the mess and then goes, mess.
Pick them up and put them in the bowl. Or eat them.
Zoe, Zoe, pick them up.
Okay. You can put them in the bowl, then we can get fresh Cheerios. Do you want to pick them up, Zoe, and then we can get new Cheerios? Want to get your broom, Ben? Can we get your broom? Well, can we get your broom? He at night doesn't like to go to bed until he gets dressed.
Oh, really?
Clean up, Mommy. And then I keep trying to make him do these messes, but I feel like if I turn the water off, maybe. Because part of it, you know, don't you like to have her room clean so that she's not distracted? And
Oh, yeah, for like her to go to bed.
yeah.
Well, I also like it so that I can go
She'll
in
go out of the
at
way.
night and not.
Oh, and not. You can help her. But after the brush touches them, we can't eat them.
Oh, Zoe's crushing
Oh, that's
them.
a good sweet. Here, I'll move the car so you can. Oops.
Oh, Lord.
Oh.
Oh, Lord.
Here. Here, go like this. Sweep them this way.
Tuppence.
Well, Maris. This is why the kids like her so much. Oh, yeah? I'll show you sweeping. Whoosh. Oh, here. Can you do it? Maybe you should get your vacuum out then.
Oh, my old one.
Your old one?
My old one.
Your orange one? Look, how's Zoe doing with sweeping? Is she doing a good job?
Don't I vacuum with mine?
You may, but you know, your vacuum won't actually pick the stuff up. Uh-oh, Zoe has stuff on her feet. She had to sit down and wipe her feet off.
Well, and then she'll have it on her tushy, I'm sure.
Yeah, she sat down and smacked it.
Yeah. crushes it in.
Is she doing a good job with the broom?
When I vacuum.
You may if you'd like.
It's so nice here.
Well, we don't need them.
It's so nice.
Oh, Zoe, you're very thorough. I'll just stop and please.
My vacuum.
Can you get it out of? It's in the closet across from the room. With your vacuum? No, he has his little. Where's your vacuum? Zoe, you're